Industries to show you how to repair your tent using the hot air welding method.
These are the three tools that you're going to need. This is commonly known as a Leister hot air welder. This is a silicone roller. And this is just a simple wire brush, which we'll use to clean the tip of it in case you get anything on it. We want to keep that tip nice and clean so that when we're welding, it doesn't leave any residue on the tent. The first thing we want to do is we want to dial in the correct temperature setting for our welder. I've found that in an atmosphere of about 70 degrees, which we're working in today, between about 6.5 and 7 is where we want to operate the welder. Once we've dialed in our correct temperature, we're now going to go into the warm-up cycle on the welder. So we simply turn it on and then we'll wait 2 minutes for it to heat up. We're going to start today with some pre-cut patches. The corners have already been rounded and they're nice and square with rounded corners. It makes the patch stick much better. It also eliminates having to use scissors to cut them out. This is the cut that we're going to repair. And you always want to repair on the top of the surface, not on the underside. The top is less likely to be seen. So we start by simply placing the patch over the area, placing the roller behind the back of the patch, giving yourself surface between the top of the tent and the patch itself. We're simply going to insert the nozzle tip right in here and work our way to the edge. We're going to start with our pre-cut patch. We're going to center it right over the hole. Take our roller tool just above it. We come in and put the hot air to it. That side's nicely adhered to. We'll come back and do the other side. There we have it. You want the hot air welder to go through a cool down cycle. So we're going to go ahead and adjust it all the way back down to 0. And then we'll wait 2 minutes for it to cool down before we shut it off.